Hey guys, what's up? Assalamu alaikum. This is Rahatul here again, and today I will be discussing about how to use form in Microsoft Excel. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the work. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. This is our Excel sheet, and sometimes we may need to insert thousands of data here. Usually we can insert data this way. For But if we use form in the Excel sheet, we can easily insert thousands of data. We can edit, we can delete, even we can find any specific data from thousands of data. And also we can use data validation in the form. So let's see how we can use form. But before that, we need to make our dataset a table first to use form. So select the dataset, and from here, format as table. Click here. We can select any style of table, or simply we can press Ctrl and T from the keyboard, and the create table window will pop up. Press OK, and our dataset is now a table. We can change the style. Go home and format as table. Select any style, light. OK. Since our dataset is a table, now we can apply form. But the form tool by default is not added in the ribbon. Okay, we need to add it on the menu bar. To add the form, click this down arrow. From here, go to more commands. In this drop down menu, we can see commands not in the ribbon or all commands. Both options have form inside. So we can click any one of these two. Just click here and go down, and we can see form here. Select this form and click on add. The form is added here. Now press OK. We can see the form icon is now available here. Alright, if we select any cell outside of the table, and if we press on the form icon, the error message will come. Okay, because we need to select any cell inside the table, then click on the form. This form will pop up. Now we can see the information of our table. Okay, so let's say we want to input data. So click on new, and right here, since here is 4, right here 5. Name is, let's say, Mina. City, date, and if we press enter now, we can see our new data inside the table. And now if I want to find any specific data from our dataset, let's say Smith, we can click on criteria, and in the name field write Smith, and find. You see the information of Smith is here. Okay, so we can find any specific data from our big data set. Okay, we can edit the data as well. If we say right here Smith ribbon. Okay, and if we press enter, the Smith ribbon will be here. Okay, so this is how we can edit any data, and if we want to delete any particular data, we can do that too. Let's say we want to delete Smith ribbon, so we can find Smith ribbon here, and we just click on delete. Press OK, and Smith will be deleted. Okay, and now we will use data validation. Select all the dates here and apply data validation here. Go to data, and from here select data validation, and in place of any value select date, start date, let's say 1/1/2020, and end date let's say 12/31 2021, and we can set error alert message as well right here. Please input correct date and press OK. And now if we select any cell inside the table and go to form, and if we press new, and in the date field if we write here 1/7/2025 and press enter, you see the error message will pop up. And if we press retry and write here 21 and press enter, our new date will be inserted in a new row in the table. Okay, so this is how we can use data validation as well. We can use logical value and wildcards in the form as well. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video and consider subscribing to this channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.